What's going on, guys? Today we're taking a look at some of the most amazing animal encounters ever caught on camera. Come along for the incredible ride because this is Viral Monkey. It's pretty strange to see when animals that belong in the wild find their way into human areas. Most people don't understand how powerful a horse truly is. They can lay you out with a single kick from their massive legs. It's the worst to have friends like these. This guy will never be the same after an encounter like this. It amazes me that there's people in the world that can do things like this and still walk around like everything's normal. There's so many times when we think we understand the size of animals until we see them face to face with a human being. A goat has the strength to fully knock out and really hurt a full-grown person. So just imagine what it could do to a glass window. This brave guy is in for a serious surprise. He really should have watched his back at this very moment. Did you know that this is how fast a hippopotamus can run? So if you find yourself in the water, then it's game over. There's not too many creatures as vicious and ruthless as a full-grown male crocodile.
Oh, behold!
¿Cuánto cuesta ese animalito?
Ay, pues, esa bestia así como está, como para ustedes la dejo en 50 millones de pesos.
50 millones de pesos. Venga, mariachi, usted sabe yo cuántos hipopótamos puedo importar desde la...
희망초!
이제 guy.
이제 막 보러 왔어요.
막 이제.
Can you believe that in some parts of the world, animals like these walk among the community? There aren't too many things in this world that are scarier than this. Can you imagine how you'd react if you saw this in your toilet?
No, please. Please, no. Please, no. Please, no!
If this machine had not picked up this creature, then one of the people in the crew might have gotten an ugly surprise. Go ahead, think of the one thing you would not want to happen to your face while you're swimming in the ocean. Have you ever seen a crocodile battle a python in real life? This is the side of nature that we don't like to see, but it's the circle of life. This brave little rabbit was trying to save his friend.
Yeah, so he's killed 2 of them. He's killed 2 of them. Yeah, it's shame. So he just bit that one, and then this one was scrambling. And that's 3 warthogs. 3 warthogs.
Comment down below if you think this clip is real, because if it is, then this kid is so brave. This has to be the scariest thing ever. A bear charging at you full speed and you have nowhere to run.
Vai, Tião, vai! Tem que chegar mais perto, Tião. Ela se escondeu pra pegar ele, olha. Olha, 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 olha! Corre, Tião! Corre, Tião! Corre, Tião! Corre!
I bet you've never seen a snake this angry and willing to strike before. I wonder what this man did to anger it. Can you believe that bravery shows itself in lions from a very young age? Take a look at what this little cub decides to do.
Yeah!
It's amazing to think that animals are so creative and they can get into almost any space, even under cars.
Hey JP, hey JP.
People who work with animals are always in danger of having things like this happen to them. You always need to be cautious.
Он не куснет? Нет. Нет? Тогда давай целоваться. Ой.
And that's it for this one, my friends. We hope you had fun taking a look at some of the most amazing animal encounters ever caught on camera. If you had a blast, then give this video a like. Smash that subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next one.